paint Blackpink's Rosé, and I decided on this picture from her very first single, On the Ground. The first thing I did was I took the reference picture and then I used it to transfer the outline to the canvas. I'm using a 9x12" stretched canvas, and basically doing this actually saves me a lot of time, and then I'm able to focus on more important things like the colors, the shading, and the details. Now the next step is doing the underpaint. I never ever skip the underpaint because I think of it as the base, a base color to work with so that you can start shading properly. Now we get to do the rest of the painting. On this part, it's very important to look at the reference photo because you have to get every single color on every single part of her face and her hair. As you can see, her skin doesn't have just one or two colors, it has multiple colors. It has shades of pink, shades of purple, brown, peach, and some white areas. So you have to make sure to include all those different colors and blend it out nicely in order to get the effect that she had on the photo itself. So this is just how it looks like compared to the reference photo right now. As you can probably already tell, there's like purple light shining on some parts of Rosé's face, so definitely you have to put all those purple highlights on her shoulder and on her face as well. Now, I've always thought that painting clothes was actually kind of tricky just because of all the wrinkles and all the different colors that you have to put into it. Now, especially Rosé's shirt right here, because there's lots of shades of blue, shades of purple, darker shades, some highlights, some white parts. So I really had to look at the reference photo to make sure I was getting all the colors right, and I was putting the paint close to the picture to see if I'm matching it properly. This is my personal favorite part of the painting because Rosé's hair here is just so gorgeous. There's so many different colors, from purple to like golden to blonde, and it was just really fun to paint it. Also, not to mention, you're gonna have to draw a bunch of these individual strands because when you have light colored hair, you basically almost see all the strands, and it's very important to get all those right, and it also makes the painting just 10 times better.